The air in the courtroom today was heavy as more than a dozen people read victim impact statements describing the numerous ways their lives have been affected by what happened on February 8, 2023. That's the day former bus driver Pierre Saint-Amand drove a Laval city bus into a daycare, killing 4-year-old Jacob, 5-year-old Mava, and injuring several others. Speaking by video conference, Jacob's mother described her anger at Saint-Amand for breaking her family. He stole our innocent child, who only wanted to play with his friends and his sister. One after another, statements from parents, grandparents, aunts, and siblings were read to the court over several hours. Many described living with post-traumatic stress and anxiety. Some are unable to work. Children described their fears and nightmares. In one case, a child described worrying that a car would run into their home.
Of course, we cannot imagine everything that these people have been through, and we can only be with them, and we can only be impressed by all of the resilience that all of these persons have shown.
Mava's mother wrote about how difficult it has been to explain to her other children how to deal with the trauma. They can't understand why the person who turned our lives upside down isn't criminally responsible. During his trial, doctors said Saint-Amand was experiencing psychosis when he drove the bus into the daycare. Earlier this week, a judge accepted a joint recommendation from the Crown and defense that Saint-Amand is not criminally responsible for his actions that day. Prosecutors want Saint-Amand to be declared a high-risk accused.
The next steps are for the modalities about whether or not the accused should be declared high risk, and after that, what are the modalities that would be imposed on him to be detained in the psychiatric institute.
The judge will use the victim impact statements to help make his decision. Angela McKenzie, CTV News, Laval.